Kids, look, letter A. A for apple. Now letter B. B for ball.
Wow! It's bouncing!
Letter C. C for cat. Letter D. D for dog. Letter E. E for elephant. Letter F for fish. Float-tail fish.
Wow! Fish!
Letter G. G for grapes. What? Letter I. I for ice cream.
I for ice cream!
Letter J.
J for Jess!
Page shows J for juice.
Ah!
Letter K. K. Letter L. L for lion. Letter M.
M for rose!
Look, a magical mango. Letter N.
N for nest!
Wow. Letter O. Letter P. P for panda. Letter Q.
Q for eye!
R for rabbit.
Alright!
S for sun. T for tiger.
T for tiger! Yeah! U for umbrella! V for van!
W for
Watermelon!
X for xylophone. Let's play the xylophone.
I for yo-yo! Yay!
Look, it's a yo-yo. Letter Z. Z for zebra. Great job, you learned A to Z. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for new videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for new videos.